Hi, I am back again with another story time. Like how small things motivates us and give a reason to not to give up. So, because something very small happened in my comment section and it reminded me why creators should never stop posting. Sometimes motivation doesn't come from friends, family or big numbers. Sometimes it comes from complete stranger. And a few days ago someone commented on my video, like uh, just a normal comment, and then another comment, and then suddenly the comment disappeared. That person got confused. They asked, where are my comments going? And that moment made me pause, because this wasn't hate, this wasn't trolling, this was engagement. A real human being from another country, taking time to talk to me. This isn't amazing, and I feel very, blessed. We often underestimate the comment section. We think it's just a one comment, it's just a one viewer, it's not even someone I know. But that one person is choosing my video or millions of other, and spending their time trying to communicate. This itself is a support. And when I realized this person wasn't even from my country, felt something powerful. The internet had connected two strangers, not for collaboration, not for promotion, but for consistency and motivation. Let me be very clear, this is not about collaboration. This is not about Telegram, Instagram or DMs. This is about something much simpler. People, both creators, both struggling, both trying to stay consistent, and without planning anything, we become reason for each other to keep posting. That's it. Sometimes growth is not about numbers, it's about showing up because someone is watching. So if you are a small creator, listen to me carefully. Don't ignore comments. Don't underestimate silent viewers. Don't think your content is useless, because you never know who is watching from another country and who is finding courage through your video. Maybe someone deciding not to give up or something. So yeah, consistency become easier when you realize your presence matters. We always hear the internet is toxic, people only spread negativity, but that's not the full truth. There are people online who want to grow with you, want to see you improve, want to stay connected through content, and that kind of connection is pure. No pressure, no expectation, just mutual respect. This experiment taught me something important, that I don't need virality. I millions of subscriber, constant validation. I just need one reason to post today, tomorrow, and every day. So one honest viewer, one meaningful interaction, and that is enough to keep going. So if you are watching this video and thinking, I have no audience, I am not good enough, no one cares, please understand this. Someone somewhere is waiting for content like ours, content like yours, and maybe you'll never know their name, or maybe you'll never meet them personally, but your consistency will reach to them. So, no, this is not a collaboration story. This is a reminder that sometimes strangers motivate us more than our familiarity, and sometimes helping each other grow simply means not not giving up. So yeah, this is a little bit story. So if you are watching this, thank you for watching. And if you are a content creator and a small creator and you are just starting, you're just started, so please don't give up and keep creating content. You never know who is inspired from you, and maybe you motivates someone and someone motivates you. So yeah.